Okay, final video for the Photoshop project. I'm going to show you how to add additional kind of things into your project here. So I left some spaces blank because I'm going to show you how you can add layers behind your layer one with your color on it and your lines. I'm also going to show you something that you can do with layer one copy, and I'm going to show you how to add additional kind of features in. So you're going to go back to Unsplash. I got that here. I'm going to look for, you can look for anything at this point. So if you want to put a llama in your project, go ahead and find a llama. I'm going to go with a galaxy just because I want to show you how to do something kind of like in the background. Whoa, these are cool. Holy smokes. Okay, I'm going to try this one. So I like this one. Download free again. The artist name is Nick. So I'm going to look for that in my downloads folder because I just downloaded it. So I'm going to go back to Photoshop, file, open. I'm looking in my downloads and I said I was looking for Nick right here. Say open. All right, so what it does is it opens it as a separate tab. So you can see at the top here. So I've got my project and then I've got my my Galaxy tab. Okay, go over to your layer, click on the lock so it's unlocked. You're going to take your move tool, which is the top tool in your toolbar. This part's a little tricky. It's not tricky, but you have to hold on to it. So you're going to click and drag and you're going to hold on to it and you're basically going to drag it over your line drawing and you're going to hover. I'm going to close this one so that one's out of the way. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. I was playing around with something else. All right, so I've got my galaxy. Click, drag, hold on to it, hold on to it, hold on to it, drag, drag, drag. Okay, see how I've got the little arrow, the rectangle, and the plus. I'm still holding down on my trackpad, then I'm going to let go. Okay, so my galaxy is here. Now it just renamed itself as layer 2. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to put this in this doorway, but I'm going to put it behind my layer 1. So you're going to take down in your layer palette, you're going to rearrange these. So I'm going to move layer 2 down so it's underneath. Okay, so do you see how I did that? So it was underneath. All right, now you can sort of see this got chopped off here. So I'm going to go back to layer 2. I'm gonna hide layer 1 for a minute, and I'm actually gonna make this bigger because I want it larger. So I'm gonna go up to Edit, Transform, and in Transform you've got Scale, Rotate, Skew. You've got all these different things that you can do. Flip horizontal, flip vertical. Those might be important if you want to do something. If you want to rotate. Okay, so I'm going to actually choose free transform because that's will be plenty for what I want to do. So I actually want to make this bigger. I move it over. Okay, now I'm going to bring my layer 1 back. Okay, and so you can still rearrange this. So if you want to move layer 2, just make sure you're on layer 2, go up to your move tool. You can just move it. See how I can like rearrange in here? All right, so I kind of want that like super cool moon there and the galaxy kind of down here, right? Okay, so let's say I want to, these were lights, these lines right here were lights originally. I want to put something on those. Oh, the other thing you can do with layer 2, like if you don't want it to be as dark, you want it to be lighter, you can go up to that opacity again and you can change the opacity so it's not as dark. Okay. I liked it kind of dark, so I'm going to leave that. So I'm going to put something on here. So I'm going to go back to Unsplash again. You know, be mindful that you're saving every once in a while too. So I should probably save this so I don't lose what I've done. File, save as. This is actually step 3 for me, so I'm going to call it step 3, but you're saving yours as the same file. The scratch discs are full. I don't even know what that means. Okay, so I'm going to minimize. I'm gonna go up here. So I could search for, you know, you could use an animal, you could do different things like that. I'm gonna do sphere, and I was kind of playing around with this. So I think I want to have like some hanging spheres. That's a hard word to say. Ooh, that eyeball's creepy. It's kind of cool. Choose this one. Heidi. All right, Heidi. Thank you. File. Open. Downloads. Heidi. Open. Okay, opens in a separate tab again. All right, this time what I want to do is I only want the sphere. I don't want the background. So this is a little tricky. I'm going to show you a couple ways to do this. You're just going to have to figure out which way works best for you. Some images, certain ways work better than others. Okay, so it's not a one way is the only way. It's a one way might work on one photo, one way might not work on another photo. So you might have to try some different things. This is where perseverance and, you know, sticking with it are going to come in play. Okay, I'm going to unlock the background again. I don't know what that means. I apparently need to Google that. All right, so I'm not going to unlock the background, and we're going to see if this even works. Okay, there's a couple ways that you can erase the background. You can use, there's an eraser tool right here, okay? This is like the most basic way. What? All right, pause this video, I'll be back.